Hi, hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm going to share a chicken pepper fry recipe with you all. And for this, we need half a kg of chicken, guys, and 2 onions. I've taken a lot of onions here, but I'm only going to use two. I'm going to use half of it. I had to prepare something else that day, so that's why it's in larger quantity. And then here I've taken 2 tomatoes finely chopped and 3 tablespoons of oil. Ginger garlic paste, I've taken around 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 spoons of coriander powder, 1 spoon of red chilli powder, 1 spoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt according to taste, guys. Also we need whole garam masalas and fresh coriander as well, including to this. So let's start off with the preparation. I've taken a kadai and let's add oil. And once the oil is hot, let's add the whole garam masalas like 1 cardamom, 4 small sticks of cinnamon and 3 to 4 cloves, and then let's add onions, guys. Let's saute this until they are light brown in color. Let's add the ginger garlic paste and give it a nice mix. And let's cook this until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes off. Let's add turmeric powder and keep the flame in low at this stage. Let's cook this for 30 seconds, guys, in low flame. Now let us add the chicken. Make sure there's no excess water getting added along with chicken. And we'll have to cook this until chicken is cooked 80%, guys. Also, you have to include salt once you add chicken. Mix salt really well, guys, and let's close the lid and let's cook this. It will take around 12 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes, guys, and keep sauteing it every now and then. And it totally depends on the size of the pieces that you have taken as well. And one more thing is, we are not going to add extra water in this gravy at all. And if you can see, the chicken is released the excess water, and we'll have to just cook it with that. Let's cook this until that's completely dried and the chicken is like 80% cooked. And now you can see the water is almost dried off and it's just oil that's oozed out. So now let's add the chili powder, guys, and the coriander powder, also the pepper powder. And if you prefer only pepper, you can exclude the chili and add 2 spoons of pepper, guys. So for the color, I have used chili powder 1 spoon and 1 spoon of pepper powder. So it totally depends on how you want it. And now let's add the tomatoes. I've added 2 tomatoes here. I'm squeezing it so that they get cooked a bit quickly. So just squeeze and give it a nice mix. Also at this stage, check if you have to add extra salt or extra pepper powder according to the spice that you prefer. And give it a nice mix and let's cook until the tomatoes are really soft, guys. And here, if we can see, the tomatoes are also soft and the gravy is almost ready. Also take a handful of fresh coriander, guys. Finely chop it, cleanly wash that and finely chop it, and towards the end we'll have to include it. Once you add the fresh coriander leaves, give it a nice mix and let this be on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes and turn off the flame, guys. By then our our dry fry is all ready, and this is a perfect side dish, guys. You all must try it, and like I said, it's very simple to prepare as well. So if you did like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please press on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on my YouTube channel. So I request you to subscribe to my channel straight away, guys. Just now, just do it so that you don't forget. It's free of cost. And please feel free to share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. I would definitely love to read it. And I hope you all like this video, guys. With this note, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon on my next video. Until I see you next, take care of yourself and keep safe. Bye bye.